Outdoor building thermography and high-voltage electrical equipment are two applications which require an experienced thermographer with a professional thermal imaging camera. Meeting these types of thermal inspection challenge requires the FLIR T800 series of camera with integrated viewfinder, high thermal resolution, laser-assisted autofocus and an articulated lens. Lens options go from a narrow 6 degrees lens for smaller targets at a distance to the 42 degrees wide view lens, or even the innovative flex view lens, which combines both 14 and 24 degree fields of view in a single lens. Featuring FLIR Ignite cloud backup and compatible with FLIR Thermal Studio reporting software, the T800 series of camera meets the challenge of complex thermal inspections, all while simplifying and shortening the analysis and reporting process too.